You have a good day, sir.
Son of a bitch.
Yeah, so he's already in the truck there. That's his buddy. What a brave motherfucker.
He sure is. Can I keep track of how many boxes? 2. They have no fear. What if one of you guys would have come out of the back door and he was in the truck?
They would have booked. I mean, you never know. Maybe they had guns on them. You never know.
What if we got a gun on us?
Yeah.
Dumbasses. Obviously, it worked out for him. He got about 15.
You know what the problem is, though? They'll use the gun before we will, because we actually think.
You're right. At least you grabbed the one off the ground. They're pretty quick. What does this whole thing take? Like a minute and a half?
I'm not sure.
From the time that he... We'll see.
Oh, there they go right there. Yeah, like you said, they were nice enough to just swing the door back closed.
That's it.